everybody, nice to see you again on our YouTube channel from Alicante Real Estate. My name is Jessica Baker from Alicante Real Estate, like I said, and I'm today in Zenia. You have an amazing duplex just behind me. You are 5 minutes walking distance to Zenia Boulevard Shopping Center and 5 minutes to Zenia Beach with your car. So if you follow me, I'm gonna show you from inside. As you see, I come into a very spacious garden with a lot of place for relaxing, having your nice barbecues. You have always space to park your car outside. You also can bring it inside if you prefer, because you have enough space here on the terrace, which is about 80 square meters outside. And if you follow me a little bit further, you will see a lovely covered terrace to enjoy your afternoon sitting outside, having your lunch, your dinner, whatever. We are on the south facing, so you have sun, the Mediterranean sun, what you are looking for, straight here on your terrace all day. So if you follow me, I'm gonna show you from inside. Let's go. So now, as you see, we come straight into a big living and dining room with an open kitchen. It's very, very nice and full of light. So you, like I said, you have everything in this small American semi-single kitchen with your dining area. And also you go through and you come out in a back patio, we call it. It's like a back terrace where you have a lot of storage room on this side, as also your washing area out here, and you have another area here covered. You can use a storage for your bicycles, whatever you need. And what's very interesting, the house have solar panels. So all the electricity goes over the solar panels you have on the top on the roof. And we go through here, we come back out to the garden. As you see, the barbecue area behind me. You have a shower, and what I love, you have a direct access through this door and you come to the 2 communal pools this urbanization have. So there you can always choose if you want to swim in one or in the other, and you go straight out from your house and you're there, so it's perfect. So, as you see, I'm coming up to the 2nd floor, okay, where you will find the 2 bedrooms, and you have a lovely, complete reformed bathroom with shower plate where you can walk in. It's all new, the windows, double glass, and brand new as well. We come to 1 bedroom, which have an airco with warm and cold, of course, which is a nice big bedroom. And also on the other side, you have your main bedroom. As you see, it's big, wide, a lot of light because you have a nice balcony outside. Also your airco here. And if you follow me, we go to the balcony. I'm here, as I said, in an amazing area in Zenia. Look, the sun. It's just marvelous to stand out here, enjoy the sun, enjoy this lovely area. If you are interested in this beautiful house, it's 259,000 euros. So just contact me down on the number you see on the screen. It'd be a pleasure to give you more information, and I see you soon in our next videos. Bye-bye.